Hello everyone, I hope you're doing very well. In this video, I want to explain the possible reasons why your phone might not have any sound. Try restarting your phone. When it turns back on, the audio may work again. Check that your phone's Bluetooth is not connected to another device. This could be redirecting the sound to a speaker, headphones, or a smartwatch. Check if the sound only fails in one app, like YouTube, WhatsApp, or calls. This will help you know if it's an app issue or a general phone issue. Go to Settings and look for the sound options, such as Other Sounds and Vibrations, or something similar, and adjust what you want to enable or disable. Check that the cell phone speaker is free of dirt, and if it is, clean it gently using a completely dry toothbrush. Check if your phone has any pending software updates. In some cases, these pending updates can solve this type of problem. Lastly, the most drastic solution is to restore your phone to factory settings. Go to Settings, look for Reset, and choose Erase All Data. Remember to make a backup, because this will delete everything on your phone. I only recommend this if none of the previous steps worked, and it's completely at your own responsibility. If any of these tips helped you, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and leave a comment. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next video.